Hi everyone, it's Cars Guide Do It Yourself. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip how to replace license plate light bulb in Skoda Octavia 3rd generation. All you have to do is push to the left side license plate light holder. Take small flathead screwdriver and soft cloth towel and gently push it. You will compress spring element inside the holder. Then take it out. And that's the spring element. Disconnect the wire. Now you can safely replace your license plate light bulb. Connect the wire back, then install holder. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.